Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2021 Ford Bronco Sport in a Big Bend trim and powered by a 1.5 liter engine, EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, we have a spacious, very spacious cargo area with a rugged floor, and underneath of which you have your, just gotta wedge that out of the way, you have your spare with some compartments around it for extra storage. And then you have a 12-volt power outlet, some lasso tie downs there, your cargo lights, which can be articulated to shine in different spots, but that should cover that. Then looking into the back, where you have comfortable seating for 3 with fold-out armrests and 2 cup holders in the middle here, as well as a USB and USB-C down there, MOLLE rigging on the backs of the seats to hook your equipment onto, and zippered pockets as well. This vehicle also has a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your car. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. Now sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel on the right hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your trip information, My View with a digital speedometer, driver assistance features and settings, your radio and phone controls, and then information about your vehicle. Moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls with your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom, and your lane keeping system or assist on the end of the signal stalk. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera so you can see where you're going, with dynamic hitch view so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a small trailer or something of the sort. Moving down, you have your media controls with your auto start stop shut off and your hazards, and then you have a cubby here. And your climate controls with heated front seats so you can stay cozy in the colder months. And then down below you have this area with a wireless charging pad, so if your phone is compatible, throw it on there and it will begin to charge. Then you have a 12-volt power outlet, USB and USB-C there, so you can plug something into power or charge. Then you have your main shifter on a dial, very convenient. Parking brake, brake hold, 2 cup holders, and your GOAT mode selector. So you have normal, eco, sport, slippery, and sand, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. And then last but not least, you have your center compartment / armrest here with plenty of room inside and another USB and USB-C, so you can plug something in from there too. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.